Thought I'd do an update video of the Esprit with its carburettors now installed, its new plug leads and plenum chamber all in place. I was minded that I hadn't done a follow-up video to the carburettor overhaul and rebuild. That's because it was done in the dead of winter and I assembled all this in the garage. It's now summer and I've been out in it, and it drives really well. It starts immediately and it stays running, so you know it's made all the difference just doing that. So it was well worth it and long overdue, and I wish I'd done it before actually, because I put up with it for a long time. So I think that looks nice. I hope you think it looks nice too. It certainly looks better than it did before. As you can see, the cam covers need a similar treatment, and I'll do that when I reshim the cams and change the cam belt, which will be the next large job that I have to do on this car. Until then, thanks for watching.